Hi, my name is Sean Creamer. I'm a grade 5 teacher at St. Peter's Boys Prep, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the up-and-coming Thinking Schools South Africa workshop on inquiry-based learning. In this workshop, you will learn how to develop the traits and the skills needed to be an effective inquiry teacher. While engaging in hands-on and collaborative tasks, you will receive the framework and the tools, such as the types of inquiry and the inquiry cycle, to help design units of inquiry around your curriculum that are relevant, meaningful, challenging, and significant. You don't want to miss this workshop because you will discover that powerful thinking tools like the thinking maps, hits and hots, Project Zero's visible thinking, task, and the 6 hats can be combined and used to create independent and interdependent critical thinkers and inquirers. I have a last question for you before I see you at one of the workshops in 2019. To what extent do you support, encourage, and honor a culture of inquiry in your classroom?